Hey, we want to talk about why some of our clients have actually onshored their production and number of factors. We got at least 7 factors here where they've actually considered onshoring for one or two, or for a lot of these tips. So I want to share with you at least 7 different sections on why our clients have decided to onshore their production. Number 1, with manufacturing offshore, you're going to have to at least add 30 days on top of what the lead time is for the freight to come over by ocean. Number 2, MOQ, minimum order quantity. Usually when you're ordering offshore, you're going to be looking at filling up potentially a container or most of a container. So your order quantities may last you 6 months to a year. So doing it onshore, you're going to be able to order them in smaller batches, easier on cash flow and inventory. Number 3, foreign disruption. This is some unforeseen activities that generally are going to be a higher risk that in certain areas and overseas that you may or may not be able to control. Typically in North America, more stable conditions, less risk in your process. Number 4 is freight cost. Freight cost either by ocean or by air. Mostly with high production, you're going to be looking at ocean freight. So that's an additional cost that you have to build into your process. Number 5, quality issues. What happens when you get a container of your product here and it's defective? How do you deal with it? How do you ensure that you have product in your pipeline still? North America, it's less likely that you're going to having that type of quality issues land at your door, and you'll be able to resolve it right at the facility here. 6, IP protection. A lot of our clients have IP, some sort of IP, part designs that is in their products. Having that risk of going offshore and having that IP distributed or not controlled is definitely an uncertainty overseas. In North America, IP and NDAs and non-disclosures, for example, are excellent ways of being able to ensure that your IP stays safe. So number 7 is confidence of materials. Overseas, you may or may not get the actual materials that you're expecting and you're requiring in your product. Issues could arise from part performance, quality complaints from your customer. In North America, very high chance that you're going to actually get the materials you're looking for. Material suppliers provide data sheets and certificate of analysis to prove the material that you want is what's in your product. In recent years, North America has invested a lot in automation in their facilities, and this has really closed the gap between low labor and offshore with North American production. And these are the 7 reasons why you might consider bringing back production over to North America.